Welcome to Mora FC. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe it, you like, you share, you comment, ask me a question, what is bothering you, or if you don't understand something, just ask me. If you love it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you have already subscribed to this channel, give me a thumbs up. So let's get started. Yeah, the length of the fabric and the lining is 18 inches by 18 inches. You can make it 20 inches by 20 inches or 25 inches by 25. It depends how big you want it. You can fold both of them together like this, but you gotta pin it very well, if not you get it wrong. If you don't want a problem, you take a one, you fold it like this, first fold, and you fold the second fold. That it will be in 4 fold. Then you start taking your measurement from that top there. You start marking 8.5 inches. But if you measure like 20 inches by 20 inches, you don't have to measure 8.5 inches. Suppose you go like 9.5 inches or 10.5 inches. That means you are using all the fabric. This one I'm using all the fabric, like that's why I'm making 8.5 inches. So after that, you just have to cut it out. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment and share my work. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Mora FC doing something great here. So this is how you're gonna get. We get a circle. This is a perfect round circle. So that is the lining, and this is the main fabric. So you just have to put it on it, and you're gonna pin around. You can pin around it and cut it. This is very simple to do. Just follow steps and you can do just it. Just have to cut it, and we're gonna sew around it. We're gonna sew around and leave a space like that. We're gonna leave a space like that. We're gonna sew around and leave a space. So you can see I've already sewed it. When you look at it, you can see I've sewn around and leave a space there. So I'm just have to make a notch around it so that the curve, we get the beautiful curve around it. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Give me a thumbs up. So we're gonna pull everything out from the space that we leave. Take your time when doing it. So if you have a screwdriver or anything that you can use it to pull everything, check the angles where you can use it, but you have to be very careful. Don't use all your strength to pull, otherwise you spoil. After that, you give it a beautiful iron on it. You iron, you press it. So now we're gonna sew around it. Again, we're gonna sew around it. But this time, we're gonna use the elastic. It depends on the elastic. There are different types of elastic. The sizes are different. This is 1 inch. So for it to become easy for you, you just have to measure 1 inch around it. Then you sew on the 1 inch. As you can see previously, I measured the elastic and I use it. So I'm just checking, see if everything is correct. So after that, I get my pin. So remember the space that we leave there, we're gonna pull it through around it. Just like that. Keep on pulling. Then you keep on pulling. If you have not subscribed yet, I don't know what you are waiting for. Tell a friend to tell a friend that Mora FC doing something great. Come support this movement. Let's grow. Share my work. Comment, like, subscribe, give me a thumbs up. So this is how it's going to look like when you put your elastic in. So it's trying to fix everything to put all elastic in. But before that, you have to know the circumference of your head. That is what you're going to use the elastic for. Know the circumference of your head. Don't let it become so tightly, otherwise when you wear it, you're going to draw some mark on your forehead. So make sure you get it normal, and after that you just have to join it together. If you have a zigzag, you just have to use zigzag, or you can even use normal to hold it down. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Comment and share my work. So this is how it's gonna look like. You just have to pull everything in, fixing everything right to make sure everything is just fixed in perfectly. Like I said, tell a friend that John and Jane Mora FC is doing something. Here we're going to close the space that we leave there. You can use it to close it, or you can use your sewing machine to close it. When you use your sewing machine to close it, that works very fast than using your needle to sew it by your hand. So when you just finish this one, you have done. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for supporting this video. Thank you for liking it. Thank you for commenting it. Thank you for subscribing it. Thank you for watching it. I will appreciate your time and effort for being here. Thank you.